Here are two central air conditioners by this church. But sorry, they playing music in there. But this one, here's a Atlas Butler. Let's see, E2306174. 617040. This they're both running, as you can see, and this is a Goodman. Here it is. A Goodman. Let's see. Look at them. GSC 130481CB. Yeah, this is how it said. So this is a good. This is a really nice unit. See. Yeah, see, but there's all these cars around here, but yeah, this saying this one is just this is side four. This Goodman's house. Just have say what? I'm taking a look at these units. Say this is an Atlas Butler unit. See, so if y'all like air conditioners, please comment below and give me a thumbs up. Have a good day.